Grab the net.
Yeah, I'm gonna need the net for sure. Ooh.
Yeah, that is a nice one. I'm gonna leave my line out there for a second. Oh yeah, that's one you're gonna want to measure.
I might get a picture too.
Oh,
Just fell off there. 22,
yeah,
21 and a half.
yeah. Nice fish.
Fish. Go back, baby.
Coming back here with you.
Bird's going that way. So.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm on.
Nice. Look at that rod flex.
That baby.
It is a baby.
Work the railroad.
All right, it's my turn, okay? Let me catch a fish.
Wait, I gotta mark mine.
Oh yeah, click.
Wait. Oh, I got another one.
Probably. Something on your lure there. I need some of that stuff. Did you bring it?
No, I can't tell you. Burns plastic, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Melts plastic. You soak them in
Dish soap.
tuna fish juice.
Good.
Do that when I used to fish melts. The little, I get these little red balls, or yeah, orange balls there at
Yep.
and I'd soak them in tuna fish juice.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if the bass smell as much as it smells, but so what do you use to keep the boat from moving?
Trolling motor.
That keeps it from moving?
Yeah, you hit spot lock.
Yeah?
GPS keeps you within 5 feet of your location.
Oh, that's freaky. Saves you a lot of anchoring, eh?
Yeah,
Oh, fuck.
but it depends on how bad the tide's ripping.
Yeah.
Will determine how long it'll last, right? Oh yeah, no, keeps us right here.
Oh, come on, Jason.
Seriously? Seriously? I want to fish
Look at this one.
too. Calm down, PG. That's just a baby.
Yeah.
It's a little feisty one. Beep, 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 beep. Click. I ain't winning today.
Yahoo! Yahoo!
$15 rod. Found the real, the wharf there by the bridge.
Lined off at Timu. The only thing that's worth any kind of money is the fishing lure on it. Using paper clip as a quick connect.
Oh, shit.
Out fishing buddy and clicking his clicker.
Yeah.
Just racking them up to 100.
Oh. Oh, both of them at the same time.
No, I'm hitting bottom.
Oh, are you? Oh, I got a fish. Let's go back towards the bridge.
I got one too. I got one. Ha! I got one! I got one! Finally got one! 785,623.
Casts later.
Just a little one.
Oh, how do you catch the little ones?
Cute little one. See you later, buddy. Alright, the ice is broken.
Clean glass, I can't see.
Over. Yeah, catch fish here in front of you. This one seems like a good one.
Oh, you're on?
Yeah.
Dirty rat.
It's not big, but it's bigger than that last little one I had.
Yeah, that's not bad. Way bigger.
You gotta start with the little one, then you gotta work your way up, right?
I don't know, I'd start with the
Well, I haven't seen any of them in the boat yet. I seen them for keepers, but
Oh, really? We didn't get any big,
nothing huge yet.
nice ones.
Oh yeah.
Jason, get that guy. That's a fucking big rock.
Just don't hit me with the hook. Oh, oh, oh. Oh shit.
See how close I was to the boat? Look.
Oh yeah.
We gotta measure that one. I need a picture of that one. 5 and 5, eh?
Oh.
Oh, that's nice. My fish.
Not today, homie. Hey, why you crossed my
Your
line?
line.
Let me on that side there.
Get over there, the basket. Not the basket, but oh, that's just a small one. That's a nice fish.
I think it's a nice one.
Yeah. No.
Nah, it's
doing circles.
still, well, it's decent size. It'd be a keeper.
That would be a keeper?
I think
That'd
so.
be a keeper for sure.
Small one.
Must be 19.
Skinny.
Want your side back?
I don't care.
Yeah, you-
No, you were catching all the fish over here.
All right. I'm going to show you what's going to happen.
You're gonna catch all the fish on that side, eh?
Now watch.
As long you can catch all the fish, as long as I catch the monster.
You didn't catch it yet.
Not yet. Day's not done.
This one too. Coming to the boat.
Told him, I said we should move down a little. He's like, I turn around to go to the front of the boat,
No, this is nice one.
and
Right.
it's heavy. Don't hook me with the lure. He's still small. He fits in the net.
Yeah.
Over your.
Oh, I forgot to mark that one. Thank you.
32.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Yeah. 32. How many you get?
Not enough. 9.
Oh, I'm on here. 33. Look at this one, Jason. Get the net. Oh,
Hold
I
on.
lost him. I lost him.
You lost him?
Yeah, he's gone there for interference.
Secret weapon unlocked.
See what happens.
Fucking beat up.
Brand new, I think. Monster. That's a monster. Get the net. Oh. That's a monster, dude. Oh, yeah. Oh, calm down. Let me bring him up there. He's a monster.
Oh my goodness.
Here.
There. Holy shit, Jason. That's
Oh,
a
he's
big
pulling.
fish.
He's pulling.
That's a big fish.
Where is he? He's right there. Okay, we gotta go towards him. Oh,
Let him go. Let him go.
yeah.
He's come to the top.
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
Calm down. I told you,
Are you on?
I might not catch a lot of fish, but I catch the nice ones. Whoa. Don't, you're not, he's not really. Grab some gloves.
Oh my god.
Yes! That's what I'm talking about, homie. That's what I'm talking about.
Told you.
All right.
Holy moly.
Okay, my camera on? It is on. Yes!
You almost got me swearing there again.
Hold on. Let's go measure them. 30 and a half.
30 and a half.
Yeah. Send him head first. Yeah, he's gone. He's gone.
Nice.
So what's that? Like 7 in 1?
That's 7.
Click, 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 click. Told you I might not catch a lot of fish,
That's nice.
but I get the big ones from time to time. Can I get another? Oh, I didn't even click it yet. 10. 10.
10?
10 with the biggest. Now you gotta catch bigger than a 30.
30? Yeah, that was a nice fish.
Yep.
That little crooked fish there you were using?
Yep. Like this one?
Oh, you got another one.
Just small. Got him. No, little pipsqueak. Sparkly green one.
With the green one.
Sparkly green.
Sparkling green?
Yep. Oh, that's a clicker. Forgot to click. Gotta start catching up to you now. I caught the biggest, so my goal's done there. Now I gotta start hooking as many as I can. Got him. Secret sauce. Put that stuff on everything. It's only a small pipsqueak though. Now it's the numbers game, buddy. The numbers game. Hey, he's a good size. Better than that.
That's a nice one.
No? That might work because it's kind of like hieroglyphic. All right, I'm at 13. Coming after you, boy. Coming after you. You got what, 32, 33?
32.
All right, well, I got another 20 more fish to go here. This one's a little heavier. Come on! Oh, no, this one's bigger. He's pulling drag. Grab me the net there, because I think I'm going to need it. I don't think I can pull this one up out of the water. He's a good little fighter. Not massive, but... yeah. 2 fish in under 3 minutes. Hook 'em, chuck 'em back, hook another. That's a clicker. I'll just leave it there for now. You're not gonna catch anything. Ooh. Oh, yes. That or there was another. It's not. That wasn't the one, was it? Well, I know it's on my hook, but I think the one that jumped was one that was chasing it. No, chasing this fish. Because the one that jumped out of the water there seemed way bigger than this. Another nice little fishy. See ya. Hey. Click. Picked it up. Went to set my rod down and the fish picked up the lure. Swimming with me. You hear that?
Yeah.
That's a big one. That's a big one. I might need a hand netting this.
Photo wall. Need a hand there?
Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that.
If it falls off, it don't count, eh?
Oh jeez.
You got him?
Yeah, I got him. Whew. Hello. How are you today? I'd like to be your server of the fancy green sand eel. I hope you found it magically delicious.
You wanna measure him?
Yeah. Okay. About the same size, really.
Same size, yeah.
Yeah,
Maybe
30.
Same fish.
Could be.
Nice fish.
It's a nice fish.
Same size.
All right, ready to go back in the drink? You're gonna hook one now.
You got another.
No. Nibble. Nibble, nibble. Just a little bit. Oh, yes.
Well, you're not that far.
No, he chased it in right to the boat. Oh, he's a jumper. Oh, look at him jump. Calm down. You're wrapping up in the line. Silly goose. Come in the boat.
There's that lower.
Oh, fuck, I didn't click the last one. So that's 2 fish. So I'm at 17. No, it's probably because it's green and it's sparkly. That's how I felt earlier. Not catching nothing. You landed 30 fish? My turn. My turn. But that's two fish. One was 30 and a half, the other one was 30. I think this is my go-to lure now. This little sparkly thing. Ah, bit it right before the boat.
Yeah?
Yeah. Look at that, see?
Yeah, I guess so. Get them in the arse.
They're liking it. They're liking it. Oh yeah. A what?
Oh. Oh.
Hitting ground, are ya? Little pipsqueak. That's not bad. Oh, that was a click. Ha! 18 coming after you, buddy. Coming after you. Biggest fish. Most fish. I'll beat you just by one.
You put me in the flat.
Yeah, I can't get out. We'll switch rods here. Grab one of these. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is a big one. Oh my goodness, look at that. And my drag is fairly tight. Dude, I'm losing line here. Look, he's already splashing at the top way out there. Look, he's already splashing at the top way out there. Oof. When they're splashing way out there, it's big. This ain't gonna fit in the net. I don't think so. That's what I'm saying. Like when they're splashing out there. Oh my God, don't throw the hook. He's trying to throw that hook some bad.
Fucking mouth on him anyway.
Yeah.
Just a little.
Trying.
Oh yeah, he won't even fit in the net. Honestly,
Get him by the tail.
Yeah, by the tail I can.
Here, hold on. Grab. No. You're gonna hit the.
You grab him.
I don't have a glove. Grab him right by the bottom lip there. There we go.
Fuck.
Set it. Lay him down.
It's bigger than I think your other one. Oh! For sure. For sure. Look at his tail. Half is it missing.
Now I wish I was catching fish like this in the tournament.
Just get the glove off because I can't catch it.
Yeah.
That's 30.
33.
That's a nice fish. Got her.
All right, buddy.
Fuck.
You have yourself a great swim. Thanks for playing. 19. Catching up with monsters.
Now you're getting the monsters, that's right.
Got another. Hey, Chachi. I got another. This one's smaller though. Well, it'll be easier to land the fish back there.
Towards the shore.
You want me to catch one at the shore? I'll catch one at the shore.
Come on.
Oh, about time. Back in the game, are ya?
Oh, it's not in the boat yet?
No, it's not.
No, this is,
Seems like a big one.
it is.
Or a good size. Or are you snagged?
Yeah.
You snagged?
Not snake, but I might be.
You're gonna need the net, probably.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, yeah.
Try and bring them around the back there. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Not quite as big, but you're getting there. You're getting there. I gotta stay out of the line of sight there with the hook.
That's nowhere even close. Okay?
No, but it's still a nice fat fish.
Yeah.
Hold on here.
I know it's not a 32 for sure.
You want to measure it or no?
No. I know it's not. I gotta quick it though. Ready? Oh,
You got a nibble?
a little bit of nibble.
Little nibble. Another one, just a little one. It's non-stop sheer action. Holy, look at the baby.
That's not big.
Oh, you got it right at the boat. Oh! I don't even know if my camera's on. Click.
You know they're fat when they go through. Oh,
Oh my goodness. Yay! Get it in the boat. She a heavy one or?
yeah, it's heavy. Take it off to the front of the boat.
yet.
It's coming up now. Oh, it's big, but
What's that? That's like a little baby.
yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
There. Want your picture taken? You're like, I just gotta stay ahead by a point or two.
34.
Did I mark my last one?
Yeah, you did. Find it.
No crybabies in the truck on the way home, eh?
No miscounts.
No crybabies in the truck on the way home. I was beating him by like 60 and he flew by me and hit like 120.
Fire must be out. Oh, there we go.
There you go.
Oh, I lost him.
Maybe I'll get him. Oh, right at the boat.
For my fish. Shouldn't have.
It's a feisty one. Thanks for playing.
Get the mark.
22. My poor little lure's having a rough day.
I hope it falls off.
I don't. I'd like to catch more fish. If it falls off and I don't got another one, looks like we're going home. Yeah, they'll chase it right to the boat and grab it last second.
Oh, there we are.
Got that one on camera pretty good. Oh, I got one too. Double hook. Yep. We should both take a picture there with our little fishes.
35.
23.
The wrong way.
Got him.
Got him?
I said I got him. Get him in, get him hooked. 24. Bit my tail again. Oh yes, as soon as it hit the water. You're like, horseshoe! Lame. 25. You're like, it's close, but not close enough. Yeah, I got him. Yep, little pipsqueak. Look at the little squeaker.
Oh, got him too. Right at the boat.
In the boat. In the boat. Out of the boat.
Nonstop.
You gotta keep tension on your line.
I know.
It's the name of the game. Oh yeah, clicker. For me, 26. Coming for you, buddy. Oh, there's another. You're like, really? Really? Again? What do you mean again? Yeah. Huh. Yeah. Should just put gloves on there, handling so many fish. Inside in the boat. Click. It's in the boat, out of the boat. Do it. Catch one.
Right here. Gee.
What do you mean, cheat? Fish is in the water, man. Whether they're here. Oh, this. He's pulling. Well, he's pulling drag. It's not big like the other ones, but it's a good size. That was a click. 28. Wee, kersploosh. Another one. What's that look? You do it again? You're like, really? Really again? Come on, man, say something for me. You want me to move you out some? You can pull anchor, we can go anchor out a little bit further. Because it seems like I'm kind of pulling them in from, well, no, it's probably just the lure. No, but he's one. Little pipsqueak. Yeah, he feels alright. Yeah. He's pulling. He's a puller.
They pull
No, I still got him. He's swimming with me. He seems like a big one, man. Probably. Yeah, he's already bubbling way out there. We'll see him. He's a good size. He's not huge. I'll see if I can't grab him from the water.
Well, I'll let you count him if he falls off. How's that?
Sure.
Touch his lip, you got him. Oh, that's a nice fish. Fucking, you don't got him by much either. You got the lip. That's a nice fish.
Oh.
Those fuckers there.
Clicker.
Just got a big fish. Get the fuck up.
Yeah, probably should start making our way back.
502. 502, and we have.
So I got 31. Got what, 2 or 3? Got a 31, a 33, and a 30. And you got how many?
38.
38. So we had a pretty good day. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Good day.